Good afternoon or good morning. My name is Louis Christian van Renen, and this is my summative assessment for my work integrated learning portfolio of evidences. When starting this module, I was hoping to learn more about how to create a CV and to better communicate my skills, experiences, and interests, as well as, and more importantly, how to create a business plan. During the first POE, we were required to create a CV and look for job listings that are relevant to our experiences, skills, and interests, and then submit this as our portfolio of evidence. For portfolio of evidence number 2, we had to do market research by creating a Google Forms questionnaire where we asked people of at least 20 people about our business, whether it has value, whether it will serve needs, and whether it will be successful and reach profit. We also learned how and were required to use Excel to create graphs and tables, which we used to answer these questions. In portfolio of evidence number 3, we had to create a business plan and a financial plan. This was very important for me, and I found this very helpful as I already have a business, but I did not have a business plan, and this helped me just work on the guidelines and the basics of what was necessary in a business plan, and I've since updated my business and my financial plans. In portfolio of evidence number 4, we were required to create a product portfolio for our business or product, as well as a marketing campaign, where we created infographics, videos, or illustrations to promote our business or product, and using two or minimum of two promotional channels or social media platforms to promote our business and reach our target audiences. For this product portfolio, we had to do market research, which outlined our intended customers or our target audience or our targeted customers. We then had to do a product design, which creates a product that satisfies the needs of these potential customers or target markets. We had to develop a branding strategy, which showcases how unique my product or business is, why it creates value to the customers, and why they need to buy it. Then we created a pricing model, which is a way for the customers to buy my service. I use a package system where I offer lessons in packages of 1, 4, 8, and 10 lessons. And lastly, I had to do promotional planning, where I found a way to market my ideas, market my business to the customers in a way that creates attention, is engaging and appealing, and it leads customers to want to buy my lessons or my service. A valuable skill I learned through the portfolio of evidence 4 was creating infographics and videos, which I have since used in my business. I have created posters. I've attended Business Networking International meetings where I've promoted myself and my business in front of different business owners, and I have been able to upload videos on YouTube that are instructional and give a snippet of what customers can expect when buying lessons from me. In conclusion, through the portfolios of evidences, I've learned how to create a CV, do market research, create a business and financial plan, as well as a product portfolio, and design a unique marketing campaign that allows me to reach my target audiences as well as reaching profitability in my business. Thank you very much. My name is Christian van Renen, and I hope you have a lovely day.